Hi guys, this is Vishwa and welcome back to Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can hide your photos or videos completely. So before going to the video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So now let's get into the topic. So first of all, open your photos. So once you open the photos, so here you need to select all photos which you want to hide, or else if you want to hide the videos you can select the videos. So here I want to hide my this photo, so as you can see here, so just tap on it. So if you want to hide the multiple photos, so just click on select. So right top corner you will be getting an option called select. Just select the image which you want to hide. So once you're done, so click on share. So here you will be getting an option called hide. So just click on it. So hide two photos, so just click on it, hide two photos. So as you can see here, the photos has hide. So just go below. So in the utility section, in the hidden, so you can find this option. So as you can see here, both the photos in the hidden folder, but we can see that photos. So let us see how we can hide this folder. So just minimize it. So go to the settings. So here in the setting, just scroll down below. So here you will be getting an option called photos. So just tap on it. So once you tap on it, friends, you will be getting an option called hidden album. So just disable it. So once you disable it, so as you can see here, so we can just go to here. So as you can see here, the folder also in the under utility there is no hidden folder also. So when you want to unhide, so if you want to see the photos, your photos, so you can just enable this. So just go to the photos, in the settings you can go to the photos and hidden album. So just enable it. So once you enable it, so as you can see here, the hidden folder will be available here. And also if you want to unhide the photos, if you want to unhide the multiple photos or videos, so you can do this same thing for the videos also. Just select the both the things. So if you want to unhide, and here you will be getting an option called unhide. So just click on unhide. So once you click on unhide, so here you will be getting the, so as you can see here, both these photos are here. So that's all for this video, friends. If you like this video, please do share this video with your friends and family members and let me know your opinion in the comment section. So